Shalom, my name is Joshua Pex. I'm an Israeli lawyer at the law offices of Cohen Decker, Pex and Brosh. We have an office in Jerusalem and an office in Petach Tikva, which is in the Tel Aviv area. Among others, we practice non-for-profits organizations in Israel, which are generally known as an amuta. In the past, we've talked about registration and ongoing operations and legal advice for an amuta. But today we're going to talk specifically about registration of an amuta, which is a synagogue or another house of prayer. In this case, the Israeli government, the registrar of amutot, has ordered specific regulations, and mainly there's two different types of synagogues, which is amuta, those who have not yet started to operate and they don't yet have ongoing participants. In that case, the two founders of the amuta need to sign a declaration, an affidavit that the amuta didn't yet start its activities as a synagogue, or in another case where the amuta is already working and operating as a synagogue, or that has done so in the past. In these cases, it's a little bit more complicated. The amuta, or the synagogue, needs to bring together a general assembly of all the participants, the worshippers in the house of prayer, and together they have to sign an affidavit regarding the activities, the operations, and the place where the synagogue does its activities in order to get the permission to register as the synagogue. Another interesting something new that the registrar of amutot has issued is special bylaws for an amuta, which is a synagogue. In the past, synagogues used to use the regular standard bylaws of amuta, or they would make their own bylaws, but today the registrar of amutot has its recommended bylaws for a synagogue, which are pretty close to the regular standard bylaws, but they do have the specific roles of a rabbi, for example, in the synagogue, or the secretary of the synagogue, and also special committees that have to do with different feasts and issues that have to do with the Jewish tradition and how a synagogue is usually operated. So if you have any questions regarding registration or ongoing operation of your amuta, please contact us. Thank you.